Okay, so in this video, I'm speaking about why you need to be niche focused. Now, just in case you don't know, a niche is essentially a segmented market. So you're not trying to be all things to all people. You want to pick a selective group of people that you want to market and advertise your affiliate products to. So for an example of a niche market would be if you were an author, for example. You might not write books for everybody. Maybe you only write educational books for children who have autism. So that would be a niche. Your niche is writing books for children who have autism. You're a specialized author. And I want you to be a specialized affiliate, a niche focused affiliate. And I have a video on YouTube as well about niche marketing. So I'm going to attach it to this course, and make sure you go and check that out if you want more information about what niche marketing actually is, or what it is to have a niche. But essentially, I want to speak about some of the benefits to being niche focused and why it's going to help you to be successful as an affiliate. So first and foremost, your ad spend is going to be a lot cheaper. What do I mean by ad spend? So we're going to be speaking in later sections of this course about how to actually drive eyeballs to your affiliate offers. How do you get people to see your affiliate offers? And I'm going to be speaking about two main ways, one of which is free and one of which requires you to spend money to actually get people, to attract people to your website or to your affiliate offers. And if you are niche focused, it's going to be a lot cheaper for you when spending money on advertisements, and it's going to be more effective as well, because not everybody is going to be interested in purchasing whatever affiliate product you are promoting. So the more specific you can get with your marketing and defining who it is that you're actually trying to sell to, then the cheaper and the more effective it's going to be for you as an affiliate. The better you know your customers, the easier it is for you to sell to them. I want you to remember that the people you're selling to are actually real people. And sometimes we can forget that when we're doing online marketing, because we only see figures on our screen. So we'll see a commission, or we'll see people showing up as traffic or whatnot on our screen. But these are actually real people. Just because we don't have a shop and people are not walking in and out, we can't forget that these are actually people, and people have wants, needs and desires. And if you're serving a particular niche or a particular person, then you really begin to understand that those types of people's needs. So going back to my example of someone who has autism, if you're specializing in marketing someone's book, so maybe you're an affiliate for the person who writes all books for children with autism, you need to really understand that niche better, and the things that really kind of appeal, the things that would be appealing to a mother or a father who is about to purchase a book for their child who has autism. That is a real person with real wants, needs and desires. They desire for their child to learn quicker. They really want a book that is going to be effective, and it's going to do the job as seamlessly as possible, and they desire the best for their child. So the more you're in that niche and the more you're selling and the more people that you're interacting with who can relate to that niche, is the better you're going to understand them. And the better you understand those people, then the easier it's going to be for you to create marketing materials for you to actually sell to them. Also, I want to speak about building authority in one sector and becoming an influencer, a thought leader in your industry. So for example, I want you to get out of the mindset of trying to persuade people to buy your product, and start getting into the mindset of how can I build an authority online so that people are attracted to buying whatever it is that I'm trying to sell to them. So for example, going back again to the autism example that I had, let's say you made it your mission to become an authority online, and you gave parents who have children who have autism, you gave them advice and you gave them tips on your website and on your social media profiles, helping them to deal with being a parent of a child with autism. Now, this might be an area that you specialize in, and I'm going to be speaking about how to find your specific niche and a niche that appeals to you in the next video. But let's say you did that and you're sharing your tips and you're sharing your advice. You can also lead people back to your affiliate link. So you might create a video, for example, on YouTube, showing people how to telling people something about how to deal with your child who has autism. And at the end of that video, your call to action is, look, if you want your child to learn better or to learn quicker, then there's actually a book on Amazon and it's called XYZ. Click the link in the description below and go and purchase that. And because you've given that person value, you've given them a reason to purchase as well, because they know and they like and they trust you, and they're building trust with you over time. Then they're more likely to actually go and click that link. And that's a great way for you to make affiliate sales.